Hello, it's Alex from the Archer and Olive Ambassador team.
Have you struggled to be consistent with your journaling? Perhaps you've tried a daily journal of memories or observations but gave up. It can be difficult to remember to add something every day. Today we're going to look at types of memory journals and how you can make it easier for yourself to keep up to date with them. We're going to look at examples, but also practical advice on how to remember to complete them.
For more on the pages that we're looking at today, don't forget to take a look at the Archer and Olive blog, where I go through them in more detail. Like this video and subscribe for more inspiration from the Ambassador team at Archer and Olive.
Depending on the type of daily journaling that you wish to try, there are a range of supplies that may help. We're going to look at the pros and cons of different types of memory journaling, along with relevant journal recommendations. This could include a journal of your preferred size. A planner, dated or undated, can work well, adapted as a daily journal. You could also use your bullet journal that you may already be setting up each month. In addition to a journal or planner, washi tape can add simple decoration, and the calligraph brush pens are ideal for lettering, and a black Archer and Olive pen for filling in our journal spreads. I've used many different types of journals over time. Dot grid, including the larger 8x8, my bullet journal with monthly summaries and highlights, journal chosen as a travel journal because of the icon, even a blank journal for morning pages with more of a sketch note effect. The best journals to keep me consistent have been the dated planners from Archer and Olive. The fact that these are dated each week means that there's a bit more pressure to complete the pages and avoid any blanks. This is an example of one I've used as more of a scrapbook, commonplace journal. A record of observations, favourite quotes, and decoration for the different seasons. So what is a memory journal? It's a personal diary where you can note down memories, experiences, thoughts, observations, and reflections. It's the perfect way to preserve and reflect on moments that might otherwise be forgotten. You could use it to express emotions, recall the first, the family life, or create a record to look back on through years to come. You may have already kept a travel journal, a gratitude journal, pages of family memories, maybe notes on children's milestones, a health and fitness journal. These are all types of memory journals. As you can see, I've used an 8x8 in the past as a memory journal. It gave me space to add photos for special occasions, and I liked using the margin to note down extra notes, perhaps the weather. I definitely really liked how it had space to write a monthly summary if I didn't have time to write daily or weekly entries. I'm going to show you an example of how I created one today. I'm going to show you using an 8x8 dot grid journal, but it would work well in any size. I've got some decorative washi from Archer and Olive. This is a quick and easy way to add decorative finishing touches to your journal pages. I'm also going to use this blue brush pen, the calligraph brush pen from Archer and Olive, and their black ink pen. I'm going to start by writing the month, and I also include the year, as sometimes, if you've been doing this for a long time, it can take you a while to work out what actual year it was. This page can then be completed either throughout the month or at the end of the month by looking at photos maybe to prompt you with all the highlights, things you've been up to, places you've visited, anything that you'd like to remember for the month. This type of memory page may work well if you don't want to commit to writing a daily entry. It still acts as a nice reminder of the things you've been up to that month. If you're struggling to keep consistent with keeping a memory journal, then consider including pages within a bullet journal that you may already be setting up each month. Most months, I include a highlights or favourites page, and I just jot down things that we've been up to, favourite places we've visited, particular events we've loved. It's an easy way to get you started with memory keeping. I've also tried less traditional methods like sketchnoting. I've even created a journal of school memories for the children over the years, an A5 journal, but I included space for photographs as well. Of course, a key element of memory keeping is making it a regular habit. I've kept a diary for the past 4 years now, and here are my top tips. Be realistic. What frequency works for you? If not daily, maybe weekly, but consider whether you will remember things at the end of a week. You can set a reminder. You may prefer pen and paper, but your phone or smart devices in your home can be used to set reminders for you to complete your memory journal. Try habit stacking. Think about a routine you already complete daily, for example, keeping your journal and pen ready and open on the sofa for you to relax in the evening. Maybe every night you read your book before bed. Why not try keeping your journal and a pen with it, so it's all ready to complete and stack onto your habit of reading? One of the main things that may stop your regular entries is not remembering what you did that day or week. But it's okay to keep notes on your phone, sticky notes, or use photos to help backfill a journal entry. I hope you found these ideas useful, and they've made you realise that it doesn't have to be a daily diary that you keep in order to keep a record of memories, observations, emotions, anything that you'd like to look back on in the future.
Thank you for watching today. I hope you find those ideas helpful. Don't forget to take a look on the Archer and Olive blog for some printables so you can quickly and easily create these pages in your journal. You can also subscribe to these videos so that you don't miss any more helpful inspiration and ideas from the Archer and Olive Ambassador team.